Primare is a Swedish company that for over 30 years has produced award-winning audio and video components informed by Scandinavian ideals. Ideals such as lagom, which means just the right amount, not too much, not too little, everything in perfect balance, harmony, and proportion. This concept of lagom informs what we call the Primare practical design approach, which guides every aspect of each model's complete design in order to achieve our goal of providing the best possible experience for the greatest number of people. Lagom may be most apparent to the eye from the elegantly simple, clean outward appearance of our components, reflecting obvious Scandinavian design influences of form and function. But where this practical design approach is put most fully into practice is in the implementation of the electrical design of our components. Of primary importance in all our designs are power supplies, and we don't simply choose a single basic technology for all models, but rather what works best for each application. To satisfy the massive and instantaneous power demands of our Class D amplification modules, only a fully engineered switch mode supply is capable of providing the necessary power. Where power demand is not so great and a more conventional linear supply suits the demand best, we create supplies centered around strictly specified EI core transformers. When low noise is most critical, such as in our phono preamplifiers, we implement a linear supply based on a toroid transformer, strategically tuned and in the case of the R35, fully shielded to reduce the effects of its magnetic field. The other key design priority for Primare is ultra-short signal paths, leading to the elimination of signal-carrying wires as much as possible in order to reduce noise and lower distortion. And where the implementation of signal-carrying wire is necessary, it is limited to a single 10-centimeter wire bundle between preamp and amp stages. Additionally, 4-layer circuit boards are used throughout our models, and while at first this may seem to add a layer of complexity, it actually allows for a more simple and direct design approach that more easily provides the shortest signal path, with inherent noise suppression resulting from a full layer of ground shielding. Populating these elegantly rendered boards are circuits composed of carefully selected components and design elements, with special attention paid to volume control, where we use a 4-channel IC-controlled device outside of the signal path that selects the precise resistive value for control with no artifacts, regardless of listening level. This practical design approach has also led us to use Class D amplification throughout our range of amplifiers, including our own UFPD2 technology. Class D simply allows us to provide delivery of instantaneous power from the fewest devices for the simplest and shortest signal path, and with virtually no heat, allowing for the compact power amp module to be directly connected to 5-way binding posts for the shortest signal path and most effective transfer of power. Another aspect of our practical design approach is our feeling that it is essential to offer modular design in as many of our products as we can, in order to allow the selection of just the right features required to meet the widest variety of system needs. Even our Prisma network player platform adopts a modular approach with its bundle of control and connection technologies. The Prisma application itself allows for the custom setup of the individual component and playback control of digital music libraries stored on network-connected hard drives. All other streaming functions are accessed directly from their individual music streaming applications, connecting to the system using AirPlay, Bluetooth, Spotify Connect, and Chromecast built in, allowing everyone in the household to explore, discover, and share the deeply satisfying experience of high-performance playback, all managed from familiar apps and mobile devices. Our practical design approach allows us to offer an array of award-winning models that, whether a combination of customized components from our modular range or a system selected from our 15 series, can meet virtually any system need. For the ultimate 15 series system, select the I-15 integrated amp and R-15 moving magnet, moving coil phono preamplifier for the best in analog amplification, paired with an SC15 Prisma network player and DD15 Prisma CD transport for the best that digital media playback can provide, be it disc, stored, or streamed. Our modular series allows the installation of DAC and Prisma network player modules to custom craft a sophisticated system, be it based on one of our I-25 or I-35 integrated amps, or pre-35 preamp with A35.2 stereo amp, to which can be added CD35 CD player or DD35 CD transport, and R35 moving magnet moving coil phono preamp. To learn more about what Primare's practical design approach offers, go to primare.net.